Hi, are you a parent and want to track your child's phone activity? Well, this video is perfect for you. Let me introduce you the Monimaster. So what are the key features of Monimaster? Here, you can track the phone files such as contacts, call logs, messages, and many more. You can also track the location, social media applications such as Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, and etc. and remote control such as taking photos. And it can use by both Android and iOS devices. To begin, you have to register an account. Open the website an.monimasterapp.com and download. Install the application and complete the settings. Click Agree, log in your account, and enter your child information such as child's name and child's age, then click Next. Disable Google Play protection. Just click Proceed to Settings and click the settings icon at the top right portion and turn off both settings. Return to software. Activate accessibility. Activate app supervision. Activate notification access. Activate administrator access. Just enter the letters that you see. Activate screen capture. Activate data access. And ignore battery optimization. Go to App Management. Find System Update Service. Click the three-line navigation. Click the three dots and lock. Then click Start Monitoring. So now, go to your computer and open your browser and enter www.monister.com. Then log in your account. Here, in my Products and Orders Management, we can see the device name, device model, plan, and expiration date. So regarding to their plans, they have 1-month plan, 3 months plan, and 1-year plan, along with its price that you can avail. Just click Buy Now, and you can pay it with your PayPal or credit card. So now, if we click the My Product, you can see here the phone's name, and if we click Dashboard, you can see the account and order info and the device info. Along with it is the phone files, wherein you can see the call logs, messages, contacts, browser history, photos, video preview, app activities, keylogger, and calendar. Also, you can track the location, geofence, Wi-Fi logger, and the social applications such as Facebook, Messenger, Snapchat, Instagram, Tinder, Telegram, Kik, Viber, Line, WeChat, and QQ. In remote control, you can record calls, capture screenshots, and take photos. It also have data export and permission check. So what are you waiting for? Download now, install, and try it. Click the link on the comment to purchase.